Alright, we just got done with dinner. We were doing the dishes. Just lead him up to it. We got done doing the dishes. And?
Towel fight.
We got in a towel fight. Michael started it.
Mm-hmm.
So we got back with him?
No, actually I did because I whipped.
Yeah, Hannah started it.
Good job, bro.
So we run outside chasing Michael, and Matt and Cody are out there playing tennis in the cul-de-sac. Therefore, it makes it very awkward.
And they stared at us.
They stared at us. You said stayed.
I said stared. Stop!
And then they
Chase us up to the bathroom.
chased us upstairs. So we run in the bathroom and lock the door and turn the lights off. And then I had to pee, so I peed. We
And
walked
we were laughing
downstairs.
at us.
Michael is standing at the bottom of the staircase.
I almost pushed you down.
And she pushed me down the stairs. She really did.
You didn't
You
fall.
did push
You didn't
me.
fall.
I didn't fall.
But you didn't fall.
But you pushed
but when
me.
I
She
when
pushed
you
me
say
down
push,
the
you think you
stairs.
stopped.
I held down to the railing. Thank God. So then we run outside, and Dylan is sitting like a sniper in the yard.
And we almost got shot at.
He almost got shot at. Then they got in trouble for shooting their guns at us.
Mhm.
I didn't do it.
Me either.
Now we're gonna make good brownie cake. Oreo peanut butter cake, something like that, and then we're gonna go outside because just chill outside.
Last month.
It's our last name. My hand just twitched. Do you see that? I was like,
I was bend over was over. How that rhymed.
I wish Matt Fenny wasn't a dick. Farewell.